A decline of 3% is possible for Solana tomorrow, CoinDataFlow shows. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. Today, Solana is up by 2.7% and trades close to the $88.13 mark. Let's see what the analysts predict today. By tomorrow, Traders Union says we might be at $90.20, which reflects a gain of about 2.2%. Digital coin price suggests Solana could move lower toward $86.97, dropping approximately 1.5%. CoinCodex highlights the potential to reach $86.28 on the downside, a fall of approximately 2.3%. A different prediction by CoinDataFlow expects Solana to touch $85.66, an estimated drop of 3%. And to wrap up, Gov Capital Collector predicts $85.20 by April 23, a decrease of 3.5%. This one shows the highest return potential. 5 expert views are in. Let's head to the next part. Now that we've seen the forecasts, here's the breakdown. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a decrease of 3.5% and an increase of 2.2%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Gov Capital Collector predicts the highest return with 3.5% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could earn between $15 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, digital coin price ranks highest with a 83.4% chance of success. By reviewing them side by side, I've produced a consensus scenario for clarity. Consensus insights highlight Solana softening by approximately 1.6%. Let's dive into the numbers. According to the consensus forecast, the price is expected to fall by about 1.6%. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 1.6% if the trend follows through. In practice, $1,000 might correspond to roughly $16 gained. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Solana holding true is roughly 82.7%. Right now, let's look at how analysts expect the price to move over the next 3 days. Traders Union projects the price moving north in the short term. A bearish outlook is projected by digital coin price, pointing to a decline. Also, CoinCodex points to a bearish path. Likewise, CoinDataFlow expects Solana to decline steadily. Similarly, Gov Capital Collector points to further downside potential. Overall, the consensus view indicates Solana will move lower across this horizon. Therefore, the overall picture shows that most forecasts anticipate downside. 5 forecasts came in 2 days ago for the next day. That day is done, and now we can compare. By the close, the price stood at $86.05. Yesterday's market showed that most forecasts captured the trend correctly. If the focus is accuracy, Traders Union was ahead of the rest. Now let's sort it out. 2 forecasts landed within yesterday's daily candle. For ROI performance, several analysts achieved gains, but digital coin price stood highest. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. CoinLore had $2.32 accuracy, 91.1% forecast probability, and minus 2.5% ROI. See who managed to anticipate the move best. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Solana and others. Solana doesn't take first place here since near leads with an expected gain of 3%. At this stage, Solana is compared with only 4 cryptocurrencies, but the extended view with many more is coming soon to my website and Telegram. You watched all the way through, thank you. If it was useful, hit like before you go. Have a nice one, see you tomorrow.